All right, you should be in class notebook under teacher exploration. If you don't know where that's located, it's under the Web 2.0 unit of content library. Click on T-shirt exploration. So I want you to read over the vocabulary that is listed in the class notebook. I am aware that you don't have a partner, but I would like you to you can do this complete with your teacher. What is the age of our consumer? We're looking at the students in our building, so they're going to range from age 12 to 18 years of age. Our colors for Eisenhower are blue and gold. What images would attract our customer to our t-shirt? So we have things like the night. Some of the students said different football, basketball, those types of things on our t-shirts. The night logo. What fabric designs? I have listed this under at the very bottom. If you go to the very bottom of this, I have put the t-shirt types of t-shirts. Please pick 3 of those and list them. They're different types of fabrics. You can choose from that. The other one that we're going to talk about is designs. Once again, you could put a logo, an image, or typography under the designs. What is the cost of the t-shirt? Our class decided to go with $15 to $25. Now, I know that you don't have a group to do this, but you can do this on your own. Please choose teacher, parents, or community members. So you're going to choose the age that you want to target. For example, you could do the age range of 20 to 30 years old, or you could do 55 and above. Choose the colors and what images you feel would attract this particular customers to your particular design that you're thinking of. Also choose your fabric. What would that age group prefer for fabric design? Before you go and do the complete your own, please scroll down and you're going to do the extension activity. Now, I gave you an example at the bottom of this activity that gives you how much a cost of a white t-shirt that has color on it. How much would it cost at a company for black and white? I told the students to use online companies. The cost, you'll see a cost change between purchasing 1 t-shirt and purchasing 25 t-shirts. So please pay close attention. I told them that they at least had to have 1 company that they found on their own. I gave an example at the bottom of cost, and you can take a look at that. You can just simply type in t-shirt pricing guide into Google and it should give you some examples of that. The last thing that you are going to do is actually design your own t-shirt on here. Now, if you do not want to design it on the computer, you may do it on a piece of paper and then take a photo of it and submit it with it. You do need to do the following. You need to have it be in, this one should be in color. The second one should be in black and white. So 2 versions of the same t-shirt design, and you also need to have a front and a back. What I would like you to do then is once you have your designs and you have them on here and ready to go, you then will answer the 2 questions about complete your own. I am going to ask you to create a consumer profile for it, such as the questions at the beginning. So in a Word document, you are going to answer the question, who is the consumer for your t-shirt design? What is the age of the consumer that you are targeting? What colors would represent our consumer? So you're creating it now for the actual t-shirt that is below, okay? This is after you have done all of the things that I've already stated in this recording. If you have any other questions, please send them to me through the private chat in Teams. Thanks so much.